Hello everybody, and today I'm gonna show you how to play music with kivymd. Like this one, when you press this button, you see that the music's playing, right? So I'm gonna show you how to play today. For you better understanding, let me just delete this main file, then start over again. I'm gonna say main.py from kivymd.app import app, and from kivy uh, kivymd.uix kivymd.uix.screen import md screen. What else will we need from kivy dot core dot audio import sound loader, and from kivy dot uix from kivymd dot uix dot ban import md run flame bar, and we start our class main, which will inherit from md app. And inside here we gotta define our build method, which is our main method build self, and let us create a name for our main screen, which will be, this gotta be md app, by the way. Md app root equals md screen, return root main dot run. So if we see this blank up here, it means we're good to go. Let us continue. So you're gonna start by putting a button in there. Like when you click the button, the sound start playing, right? Let us call it by self dot play band md round band text equals play. But if we just create it, it means that we didn't put it in the screen yet. So to put it in the screen, we'll need like add the widget, because the play band is a widget. We have a play band. It was miswritten. Root dot add widget play band. Now self dot play band. So as you see, we can have it on the screen, but still in the down corner right hand screen. So to select the place where we're gonna put our button, we should set our pause hint to the center. Pause hint, which will be a dictionary of center x, which will be 0.5, but I'll make it only 0.5 like that, and a center y, which will be a 0.5 too. 0.5. So I can have it. You can see that the play button is in center of the screen. but still does nothing yet because still didn't call the sound loader method, which will actually play the music we're gonna work. So do that. Let us like put here on press equals play music function. So like when we press the button, I mean, it will start playing the music. But it's gotta be self dot play music because the function is gonna be created out of the build method. Let us create our play music in here. Let me just pause to show you something that usually happens. So you may see that if I create this play button, the program actually quits and says takes 0 positional arguments but 2 were given. So in order to quit that, you'll need to put some star args here, so let it accept more than 1 or 2 arguments. And I've already put pass here, what means that it ain't gonna do nothing. But if I click it, we ain't getting that error again. So in order to do that, in order to play our sound, we'll start calling our, we define a variable called sound, which will be calling our sound loader dot load load. I have a good theme final 3.mp3 in here, which I made with FL Studio. Good theme final 3.mp3. So we calling it and then we'll start playing it by sound.play. Okay, we ain't gonna listen for all of it. That's all for this video, guys. I'm gonna catch you in the next video.